Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Howdy. So you want to know more about how to enter a dog in an American Bully Kennel Club, ABKC, show? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to enter a dog in an American Bully Kennel Club, ABKC, show is theabkcdogs.org. Specifically the page titled ABKC Dog Registry, the American Bully Registry. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.wikihow.com, especially the page Dog Tricks, how-to articles from WikiHow. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.akc.org. The web page American Kennel Club, akc.org. This is the link.